Okay, this is my pen holder, my Surface pen holder that I've added. Now this is not perfect, and I expect this to be temporary, as I'm hoping that I get a 3D printer for my birthday, and I'm going to print a holder. I think I'm going to design something to fit here. So I went for minimal look here. These are what I used. I bought these on Amazon. You get 8 of them for approximately $10. You can get it for about half that price if you go to AliExpress, but you're going to have to wait a while. There are 2 shades of black. I'd already had one on from before the Otterbox. And there's a blue, a pink, and a red if you want to accent it. My artistic wife told me no, to go with this one. So I'm probably going to try to round it a little bit maybe, but as you can see, I bent it at the edge, at the lip here. So I used a pair of lineman's pliers to help create the bend. I did put, now these things come with 3M tape on the back of them, and the part that's against the foam here is just this 3M. I did put a little bit of extra double-sided 3M double-sided tape that's just the right width, I think, for this lip here. I did put that in there just to give me a little extra security. So that, I think, will suffice. I like these loops. They fit very snugly around the Surface pen, so they hold that pen. It's not a loose fit, but I can slide it. So, first time I've done this, but I could do it with the other configuration, slide it in without holding it, it doesn't move. That's a good secure fit. And if you're concerned, you can put some double-sided, a little bit better double-sided tape on the back side of it. And of course, if you don't want it to be that minimal, you can put the whole thing on there. But the key is to bend it, and that's approximately 1/8 of an inch. I don't know what that is, maybe 2-3 millimeters, maybe, let's say 3 millimeters. You want to bend it. I just eyeballed it. I should have measured it, but you want to bend it right there so that the loop here, the edge of the loop, is at the edge of the lip. And the pen will lay right here. Now, as you saw, that pen did snap to the magnet. The magnets that are in the phone do come through, but they've been weakened tremendously by this case. So I'm going to design a holder. I'm going to put magnet in it. We'll just see how that goes. Okay, that's how I'm securing my Surface pen. Slim pen, you could do the same thing, I guess. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, share, hit the notification if you want to know when new stuff is uploaded. And again, thanks for watching.